assistant, then whatever is this.
Collision prevention.
This one?
Go down.
Third one.
Hit it down.
The collision prevention assistant, and then turn it off.
Okay. Turn it off. There we go, baby.
Y'all, I'm getting chauffeured. And I'm drinking my little drink, child. I don't know why my camera look ashy for y'all. I'm sorry. And my Superman curl. Ooh, I look stupid. Look like a little Superman curl in the front, child. They ain't come out. Like, I don't know what's going on. Like, I need to bump it or something.
I'm gonna call all these bloggers.
Baby, we just switch gears, honey. I'm still in my same spot, but they changed roles, honey. Some things have changed, y'all.
We gotta go get this food. That's what changed.
Right. We were gonna go out to dinner. We just found this little spot that we're gonna take y'all to. Yeah, lay down. No, I know.
Christmas.
She done told us our food was there. We found some place called Maddie's. It's supposed to have really good food. We placed our order because we had to go security shoes, honey.
I'm glad you got your shoes.
Your girl had to have. When I tell you, after we found the shoes and Simone got them, baby, it's like my bloodhound nose came out, baby. I smelled them shoes. I knew they had them, girl.
She spotted that from girl.
I see that rainbow. She seen it. She seen it.
I'm gonna have to check the one out in Jacksonville, child, for mine.
So yeah, we went and secured the shoes.
Mine and Genovia's. They got two of them.
So now we're gonna take y'all.
Yeah, to go get she might
food.
not like them.
Yeah. But it don't matter. She gotta be a team player. Cause we
I'ma
can
talk to her.
that next
I
trip we
just
got
hear
to
her
win.
saying, well, you know,
I don't know.
I mean, everything that's on you, Oh my God,
it's funny how y'all talk like her.
into that. I don't know, you know my feet. Yeah,
I'm already tall.
Yeah.
We love
We love you, Genovia.
All right, y'all. I'm a little tipsy, but we went to the place and got Maddie's. What is it? Maddie's Jacobs.
I didn't even tell
Her Maddie's Jumbo.
Jumbo. That's what it was. So I'm just gonna taste this food with y'all real quick. Y'all ain't gonna get much. Y'all just gonna get a bite for it. Let me taste the macaroni with you. Let me taste the macaroni.
Right.
She wasn't lying about that macaroni.
It's good.
I only had a noodle. Let me taste these yams.
So let me show y'all my food. I showed y'all a while ago, a little earlier, but let me show y'all. What
Baby, it don't taste like Thanksgiving yams.
It does. That's my little corn.
Did y'all get yams?
Oh no, I didn't get no yams.
I am. Can I get
Taste these yams. Simone.
Let me get a tight.
Yeah.
Let me get a piece tight.
Get right on, child. When I tell you them things taste like Thanksgiving yams.
Okay.
I knew they was gonna good when the lady in the back had them arms.
Oh, that's what I said. I said, oh, baby, she got them arms that let you know she can cook.
And them beans. It's the beans. I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell you. And I know that cornbread sweet. I ain't got to taste it.
Okay.
But y'all, let me put y'all down real quick and let me go ahead and do my little setup. I give y'all a little peek. That's all y'all gonna get with my broke nail. Oh, these baked beans. No, it's busting, child.
Yeah, y'all. We supposed to done got dressed. We were supposed to get cute. We were supposed to go have dinner. But baby, at this age and stage in our life,
The way our minds changed, and we was all in sync.
And we all in sync, child.
Nobody did. It was beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
and this is our first time meeting each other in freaking real life.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
We've been in text groups. This is our first time meeting in person. And I must say, it's like we've been knowing each other.
Yes. No,
Like we grew up.
Yes. It's been really, really good.
all I've been doing
It's
is
been
crying
good.
and laughing.
Girl.
Crying and laughing.
So this one right here.
Already.
Crazy.
Whiskey bourbon. What?
Oh,
Okay.
that's that nasty stuff.
What? What's nasty?
The whiskey bourbon and scotch.
Y'all like, I like
good.
Grand Marnier. Y'all like Grand Marnier?
I heard of that. I don't think I never tried that one.
It's good.
I try anything long as I don't taste the liquor.
But
Hennessy?
yeah, because it's like a sweet.
Yeah.
I can drink that right by itself.
Way too.
But I only do brown when I'm like mellow, trying to relax.
It's definitely got to be.
It puts you to sleep.
Yeah.
Anybody was trying to go to sleep when they drink alcohol? They ain't going to sleep.
Yeah, I might be going to sleep.
Mm.
Now we gotta wait on Genovia.
Yes, we got
Once
one more
Genovia
coming.
be here.
We just really wanted to practice for tomorrow, child. Get used to talking
y'all.
live.
We ain't gonna be looking tired like this. We're gonna be cute.
Yeah, because we're going to a brunch spot.
Oh, she waiting on the flight to come on.
Who?
And your auntie?
Oh yeah. What's his name fighting tonight? Errol Spence.
Oh, that's right. Because the place where we went got food that's supposed to be showing the fight.
It's too hot in there. I can't
Yeah.
go on, baby. No.
But the way that...
It's too hot. But my hair sweated out and everything, child.
Child.
Kay hair still look good.
It do?
Yeah.
Yeah, it do.
Oh, man, y'all
Girl, my hair sweated out.
Yeah.
Baby, these girls here support is unmatched here. They
Cause I know I probably
love
got
me.
my lace probably showing.
Yours ain't.
Child, I got to blend mine a little
Oh
bit
my
more.
God, y'all! Y'all know if y'all watch me, y'all know I love DDs. Girl, why they went right into DDs with me, and it was perfect.
It was perfect. It was.
It was perfect.
And we got some shoes.
They got some shoes. Child, I got me a little purse. My auntie purse that Kay call it.
Okay. And she got an auntie wallet to me.
Right.
Yeah, and the auntie wallet. Y'all can't see that. I got my little coins in it, child.
But yeah, girl, we ain't doing nothing, child.
She said
Hanging
pineapple and apple juice with the darn whiskey. Oh, I can't mix
Pineapple.
juice
That's
with
good.
whiskey. With brown.
Oh yeah.
You can't mix
Apple
juice
juice
with
and
brown.
whiskey is
If I do brown liquor, I gotta do like with Coke, Pepsi or something.
Oh, okay.
Something dark.
Baby, that apple juice to have it, it'll be so smooth. You don't even, it's so smooth.
I ain't never tried, so I ain't gonna knock it. Y'all still ain't tried this darn turkey leg. I'm glad y'all did.
Take a leg here.
Here, get some.
I'm-
Right on.
Look how much food I got left. I'm full.
I'm full too, but I've been eating mine.
I'm eating just eating.
Okay, where's the damn?
It be the goddamn turkey leg off here.
I'm trying to.
What?
Is that a piece? I don't want to be digging through it.
It be. I don't care.
I'm trying to get some meat, baby. We're trying to get some meat.
The skin be the best part of me.
Oh, that's real good.
Mm-hmm.
It's real
This
good.
season real good.
Mm-hmm. You ain't got to dip it in no barbecue
Now,
sauce.
they must have gave you my season off my pork chop.
I know season on your pork chop.
I mean, it's
How you make a pork chop dry though?
I don't know. They mastered it though. I
Damn,
mean,
boy.
it's moist and spot.
I used to make a
Not more than five.
barbecue brown sugar, not barbecue, brown sugar and Coca-Cola pork chop baked in the oven.
Oh,
Brown sugar and
definitely
Coca-Cola.
You know how you mix brown sugar and Coca-Cola, put on the ham for Thanksgiving? I used to do it and put it on pork chops, put in the oven.
That sounds good.
Mm-hmm, it was good. Good morning, y'all. Why it's 5:06 in the morning. These heifers in here still asleep. It's 5:06 in the morning. These heifers in here still asleep. We went to bed at 1 o'clock. Yeah, I'm the only one up. I gotta go wake them up. And Katie one time she be up around this time, and she the main one in her snoring. I mean, mouth open snoring. I ain't gonna bother with them though. I ain't gonna bother with them. But they told me, they was like, Kim, you ain't gonna be up. You ain't gonna be up. You ain't gonna be up. Cause I said I want to work out. And look at me. Who up? Who up and been up? I just put our towels and washcloths in the darn washing machine so they can be clean when we use them again. I like my new wallet. I got the wallet first $5, and then I got the purse. It was like $20 yesterday. I need that purse.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So right now I'm just trying to cause y'all know I got 2 trips. My second trip, I'm just trying to repack my luggage, cause I'm just taking my carry-on on my second trip out the country. So I'm just trying to reposition my luggage, child. Basically put everything I'm taking out the country in this bag, and in the suitcase and everything else, putting in the other bags and all that, sitting in my car. But yeah, and then I'm getting my stuff out for, well, y'all ain't tell me I had coal in my eye earlier. I'm gonna have to delete that clip. I'm getting all my stuff ready for the boat party, putting it in here, in my beach bag. And I need to put my brunch stuff out. I'm gonna show y'all when I get done. I'm gonna show y'all my brunch outfit. Well, yeah, I'm gonna hang my brunch outfit stuff up. So let me do that, I'll be right back.
All night, say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you trust?
So I done pretty much packed this is my bag I'm taking out the country. This is my stuff. I haven't decided what I'm gonna wear to the boat party, but it's gonna be one of these outfits. I got like 3 outfits right here. These are shoes that I'm wearing to brunch, along with this dress, and I'm gonna wear it with this bag. And then I got my beach bag for the boat. And now I got my sunscreen in here, my 2 fans. And then I'm wearing sandals with my outfit, but I got some water shoes just in case I want to take my sandals off and put them on. And I'm thinking about wearing these shades with my brunch outfit. I got some other shades to back up, personal hygiene stuff, makeup, accessories, you know, the works. And then this is another outfit as well I'm gonna put on. But yeah, I'm pretty much, and then these are 2 bags and I'm putting back in my car. When I go out the country. Okay, Now let me make sure I got everything charging, and I'll pick y'all back up a little bit later, cause I got sleepy now. I've been up for what? A little bit about an hour. And I'm gonna wait till the towels dry, with towels and washcloths, and fold them back up. I did that so we can have something clean, because we used them last night. And I don't think we have extra washcloths. I think they just gave us enough for 4 people. So I just threw everything in there so we have it clean the day before we go. Take another shower the day before we go to brunch and the boat party. And then I washed my outfit as well that I had on yesterday with the towels. So I'm gonna put that in my bag to go back. But yeah, I'm rambling, y'all. Let me try to lay down and get another hour or 2 of sleep before these heifers wake up. Alright, y'all, I'm up. It is up again, actually. Y'all see me earlier. It's 10:27 now. We got reservations for brunch at 12 at Donkadoo. Child, don't get me saying the name wrong, but one of them restaurants. It's a Jamaican spot. So I'm about to get ready to get my stuff out. I already got my stuff laid out because y'all seen me do that earlier. But I'm about to get ready to take me in a shower. I need to shave real quick and throw this little outfit on. This little dress here. Y'all need to see what the kind of shoes they wear, because I bought flats and I brought them sandals. I might want to wear them sandals though, but we gonna see. Let me get situated and I'll be back with y'all in a minute.
Hey y'all, so we ready? Is it like a
I just saw the big Ariel. Hey. She I shouldn't even put it on her because she having a little dysfunction of her. She's switching up some things.
I wouldn't do it. We in Miami. Who we know here?
That's why I said I had my nipples out. I don't give a care if they showing or not.
Miami tree.
I'm gonna say, yeah, it's gonna fall from the bottom of my head.
All right, I'll pick y'all back up once we get to the brunch spot. All right, y'all. We is walking up to this darn brunch spot, child. Hopefully everybody in and all in our mouth, child. That's fine. That's okay with y'all. We can do that. Alright, y'all, so we over here at Brunch. We ordered our food. We got a special guest coming in. I can't wait till she gets here because I haven't seen her.
I'll buy a little bit and then I'll
I'm nervous, child. I'm nervous.
Oh, my drink ain't pretty. I can't do that. I was like, my drink ain't pretty. I can't do that. I mean, I can tag you. I can tag you in it and you can repost it.
Alright, y'all, so we done with brunch. I had shrimp and grits. It was so good, as y'all seen. Child, we getting ready to walk back to the car. We just got done taking photo ops in front of this. In front of this little thing. Child, my hair. I should have put a little mousse and water on the curve. On the Superman curve. But yeah, so we getting ready to go back to the room, and we got a special guest meeting us there. So I'll pick y'all back up once we get there. We're gonna be on the camera then. I'm on my phone right now. But yeah, we're gonna get back so we get ready for this live, and then we got to go to the booze cruise. So my girls in the back. You see them? Y'all, the special guest is here. on the internet. Just like, did you know?
I didn't even talk
Yeah, turn your camera on, child. Get the footage. I said, oh, I kept telling my phone. I said, we got a special guest today. I'm gonna tell y'all who it is. The mama stomach child just ate. I just ate now. Child.
You cute.
Thank you. You know she in child had to sponsor me. Girl, when I tell you I had that pizza got there, man. Let me see if she hit the key. Hit the gate. Hey! They going, it's two good ladies going to the Walgreens because they going to get some dopamine for darn, because we going on that booze cruise. That's what I should have told you about, was the darn booze. You went on that one before? Yeah, this our first time going too. Where y'all sitting at? Where y'all got me sitting?
I'm in the middle.
Okay.
You know.
Oh, y'all put me on the end.
Look, that's why I'm next to
But when we do the flyer, y'all want to put me in the full screen. Y'all just want everybody to come because y'all know I'm a clown.
Are we all in here? Are you going to
I'm waiting until when y'all start.
Okay.
She knows she the pro child. She the pro. You be getting the girl.
Hey y'all, we live.
Oh, you already hit live? Child, I need to start my iPad.
Wait, what?
There's somebody going live on here.
Oh, is that live?
Hey y'all. We live.
I got my stomach.
Can y'all see it? I was like, can y'all see it?
Maybe something stomach in first.
Okay. Oh shit. My questions was on my damn phone.
Oh, Lord. I know you was talking to two people yesterday. The same two you sitting in.
know.
See, baby, how I make my screen? How I need everybody?
I love Kim's girl. Yeah, girl, me an iPad. Me an iPad. I got my glasses on like Kate.
I'm talking. Y'all gonna be looking cross-eyed because you gonna be looking over here.
That's it. Yeah.
I already look cross-eyed. That's pretty shade home,
We gotta
child.
figure out our life.
We in Miami, tree.
We ain't looking for no hoochie daddies with no hoochie daddy shorts. Or no side sandals.
I know I'm wild, child.
Okay.
I ain't even posted on Facebook. Facebook, they be the nosy bitches. That come on. They be family members. And
Hey
stuff.
guys, come on in the room. Come on in the room.
Child, who you talking to?
That's how you gotta do that.
Yeah,
You
because
gotta
they
tell
still
them.
gonna. Yeah, they still gonna. Even if they don't watch the.
They gonna watch the
They don't
replay.
get
Don't we look so much better than we did yesterday, y'all? We done been to brunch.
Yeah.
Where did we go? What was it? Dunkanoo?
Dunkanoo?
How you say it? Dunkin'
Dunkin'
Who is the one that starts that video saying, thank you for coming back to watch my shit? I can't remember that. If y'all like Zenobia, she always say thank you for coming back to watch my shit. See? We love that. We love that.
On the end of it.
Somebody FaceTiming me while they doing it. Get on
They
my
know what's going on.
I'm live.
What is that?
You can see my face on live.
Who doing the next
It's not
question?
being worse
What's the
though.
next question?
Kim.
Who been to jail for stabbing an ninja in the neck?
Who would go to jail for stabbing a nigga in the neck?
I need a story time on that.
Oh, she put K. I put Kim.
Wait,
Wait a minute. Whose foot is crooked for kicking a nigga? She has a whole crooked toe from kicking somebody. Kim. Who ain't no killer but don't push it. Kim.
Who gonna say child?
And K. I'm gonna say K too.
Child, you know, your turn with a question.
Okay, mine are simple.
Yeah,
I'm just trying to spice it up, child.
Okay.
No, that was really serious.
No, but for real.
Oh, mine is boring compared to y'all. Okay,
Go ahead, child. We'll tell.
who has a baby named Havana?
Oh, she should have been here. She should have been here.
That would have been our.
She should have been here. But when she had some babies, I already told you, I want one.
Child, you can have
I want a Havana.
Cause
Junior.
Havana boy, they ain't anything like Havana. She might be at the homeless shelter.
No, she won't.
All right, y'all. So we are dressed for the booze cruise. I switched my earrings from Brunch and I put on a different. Well, I got the same necklace on, and this is just a one piece. They got the mesh on the side, and I just put it on with some shorts, and I got them open up in the front. I got these shorts from Fashion Nova, and they was a little bit too big, and instead of sending them back, I just kept them and said I use them as cover-ups. Cause look at the waist, child. I got to close the waist in, cause that's how I done lost that much weight, girl. I done lost that much weight. But yeah, we are getting ready to go to the booze cruise, and I'll pick y'all back up probably when we get on the boat. Oh, let me show y'all my shades. And I just got on some swimming shoes. I was gonna put on some sandals, but the only sandals I bought, I didn't want to be slipping and sliding on them people's boat, and I'll be on that alcohol. We would have cute. We would have been cute back. They would have had a video for YouTube to be talking about I done bust my ass on the people's boat. But these are shades I got. I got these shades from Amazon for $20.
Amazon.com.
And I just pinned my hair up because I ain't trying to be hot. I'm gonna be hot, but I ain't trying to be hot. But yeah, I'll pick y'all back up once we get to the boat. Y'all, we look so cute.
I thought we had a bigger bottle.
Look at Simone. Look at Genovia.
It is. So we're gonna put
Let me see if oh, she presentable. Look at her. We about to look at her. Oh, she grown. She grown. Yeah, I'm about to take me an energy pill. So I can get crunk.
Okay, here's Kim. Say hey, girl.
Hey.
And then we gotta do a we didn't get our outfit check yet.
Oh yeah.
Hey. Say hey to the blue. Body yada yada.
Oh, I love them earrings. I didn't even notice the earrings.
Yeah. So this jeans.
And she be acting like she can't put nothing together.
I was just so, I don't know, I was so like.
Yeah, you did good, both of y'all.
It's a pop of color.
I like them pants. Them pants don't do it justice. Them pants don't do justice over the darn.
When I grow up.
Child, I'm still trying to grow up.
Okay. And girl, I did not realize that Kim is the youngest. She's the youngest out the bunch. But you would never thought she's so much.
I thought she was. That's why I always hang around older people. I always, whether it be dudes or females, I always hang around older people.
Me too.
And older people always be drawn to me. They be like, child, I'm about to hang around you.
You like my voice?
What my shades? Alright, so I got them. Oh, you all taking your camera?
Yeah.
I mean, she got your olive bag.
What you doing?
She got on my bed, y'all. She got the olive bag.
Okay, you taking your camera, you said?
I can't look at her.
You taking your camera?
So let me show y'all what I got in my bag.
You taking your camera? Oh, she on the phone. I'm thinking she in my humble.
Okay.
I'm like, damn, now she did.
So I have.
Oh, I want me a piece of chocolate. But I don't know what piece of chocolate I want.
But hey.
I don't know what chocolate I want. I want something sweet to go with my darn.
I'm so scared of this. Especially the sugar-free chocolate, baby. I'm so scared of that. That shit wore me out. I can't go through that shit on the plane tomorrow.
I'll make you hyper.
No, it told my insides.
I'm going to almond joy. I'm going to get me a bar. Y'all, so I'm back from the booze cruise. When I tell you, I got a story time for y'all. I got a story time. We stopped by CVS. I got me a little chicken pot pie to eat. Matter of fact, it's 12 o'clock midnight. My flight is in the morning at like 10 o'clock. So I'm about to throw this pot pie in this microwave real quick. Jump in the shower. Make sure I pack up all my stuff. And I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Child, this gonna end the vlog. I give y'all the story time next vlog. I wanna say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all, my eyes burning. I'm so tired, but I'll pick y'all back up in another country.